Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here excited to test drive stock number D20916, excellent operating 2014 Octane, model number FY70. It's a 15,000 pound and 500 capacity pneumatic tire forklift. It's equipped with a 4.3 V-6 Vortec GM engine, high horsepower, low fuel consumption, very ergonomical. It's equipped with a two-stage mast that is approximately 157 inches of max lift height. Wade's going to take it up for us. Has 8-foot forks, side shift carriage, load backrest. About to install brand new solid pneumatic tires, although these are still pretty healthy. Has an automatic 2-speed transmission. It's been serviced with recent repairs. Has good, excellent paint job. Ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins to check out our inventory. Thank you much for watching.